Hello everyone, my name is Sérvulo. I'm physics professor on the Melkids School. I'm graduate in physics on WebB and masters on cosmology. I'm present now. My work, Zooniverse and IASC, citizen science are the service of education and popularization of astronomy in the search for objects and events in the cosmos. This work I'm to present the recent participation of the Mistérios do Universo project in the Melquiades Village School in Brazil in detection, searching for astronomical objects and events, and in improving astronomy education taught Zooniverse and IASC. I had with my students taught Google Meet showing how citizen astronomy programs work. And now the research results culminated in the joint discovery of Type 1A supernova and 6 more astronomical transients. This is an example that one of my discoveries. On the right, this is in 2021 aqui, the first supernova discovered in July. Throughout the IASC NASA, the Mistérios do Universo project has detected 5 possible asteroids in July campaign. In the August campaign, one more asteroid was detected, and this is a list of asteroids confirmed in the September campaign by the project. And now the conclusions. The present work evidenced the participation of discoveries of the Mistérios do Universo project from Taperoá, Paraíba, Brazil, in the Melquiades Village School, in the projects of Citizen Science of Asteroid Search, IASC NASA MCTI, as well as in the search for supernova hunters, Zooniverse, between July and September 2021. The reference from this work, and thank you for the attention.